The air is thin, making every breath a conscious effort. The cold seeps into your bones, a constant reminder of the harsh environment. Snow crunches underfoot, each step a laborious effort. The ground beneath is treacherous, hiding crevasses and unstable patches. Every movement is calculated, every step a testament to human endurance. Above, the Himalayas reign, a majestic spectacle of rock and ice. These towering giants have stood for millennia, witnessing the passage of time and the insignificance of human endeavors. I'm here, dwarfed by their immensity, to explore a remote glacier with my drone. The sheer scale of these mountains is humbling, a reminder of nature's grandeur and our place within it. The drone, a marvel of modern technology, ascends into the azure sky. It offers a perspective that was once the realm of dreams, allowing us to see the world from a bird's-eye view. It's equipped with a high-definition camera, ready to capture the untouched beauty of this unforgiving terrain. The clarity and detail it provides are astounding, revealing the intricate patterns of the ice and snow. My heart thrums with a sense of adventure, the thrill of the unknown. This journey is not just about exploration, but about pushing the boundaries of what we know and discovering the secrets of this frozen world. The drone soars higher, painting the stark landscape onto my monitor. Each frame is a masterpiece, capturing the raw, untamed beauty of the Himalayas. Jagged peaks pierce the heavens, their snow-laden slopes glistening under the harsh sun. The contrast of light and shadow creates a dramatic tableau, a visual symphony of nature's extremes. An ethereal silence reigns, broken only by the drone's gentle hum. This silence is profound, a stark contrast to the chaos of everyday life, offering a moment of introspection and peace. I guide the drone deeper into the heart of the glacier, a place untouched by human eyes. The ice formations are otherworldly, sculpted by time and the elements into fantastical shapes. Anticipation thrums in my veins. What will the drone uncover? Each moment is filled with the promise of discovery, the allure of the unknown. What secrets lie hidden beneath this frozen expanse? The glacier holds its mysteries close, waiting for the intrepid explorer to unveil its secrets. This is the essence of adventure, the pursuit of the unknown. The drone hovers, a solitary speck against the blinding white. It transmits back crystal-clear images, the pristine beauty of the glacier unfolding on my monitor. Then a change, a subtle anomaly disrupts the monotonous white. A glimmer, faint and elusive, flickers beneath the ice. My curiosity piqued, I maneuver the drone closer, adjusting the camera for a better view. The glimmer intensifies, revealing a distinct shape. It's organic, undeniably alive. A shiver runs down my spine, a mixture of excitement and trepidation. What have I stumbled upon in this frozen wasteland? I zoom in further, my breath catching in my throat. Beneath the ice, something stirs. The drone, buffeted by the wind, struggles to maintain its position. I wrestle with the controls, my heart pounding against my ribs. The shape beneath the ice shifts again, slow and deliberate. It's massive, dwarfing anything I could have imagined. Fear, primal and instinctive, claws at the edges of my mind. I'm intruding on something ancient, something powerful. The camera struggles to focus, the ice distorting the image, yet I can discern a colossal form, its contours shifting beneath the frozen surface. A sense of awe, mingled with terror, washes over me. What lurks beneath the ice? A creature of myth and legend, awakened from its slumber. The drone, battered by the wind, fights to hold its position. Below, the creature moves again. This time there's no mistaking the deliberate grace of its movements. It glides through the water with an eerie fluidity, its massive form sending ripples across the surface of the ice. It's not swimming, not in the conventional sense. It's as though the ice itself parts to allow its passage. My mind races, trying to comprehend the impossible. Could this be some unknown species of marine life trapped beneath the ice for millennia? The sheer scale of it beggars belief. One thing is certain. This is no ordinary creature. Section 5. A colossal form. The drone, its battery dwindling, struggles to maintain its precarious position. I watch, mesmerized, as the creature slowly circles beneath the ice. Its skin, a deep, almost iridescent blue, shimmers faintly in the pale light filtering through the ice. It's then that I see it. An eye, colossal and ancient, opens beneath the ice. It swivels, taking in its surroundings with an unnervingly intelligent gaze. For a moment our eyes meet across the chasm of ice and time. Terror, raw and consuming, grips me. I'm staring into an abyss, gazing upon something beyond human comprehension. The drone, its mission accomplished, begins its descent. As it descends, I can't shake the feeling that I've awakened something that should have remained undisturbed. Section 6. Echoes in the Ice. The drone lands softly at my feet, its mission complete. I stand there on the precipice of the unknown, my breath catching in my throat. The wind howls around me, a symphony of icy whispers. Or are they whispers? The echoes of the creature's passage seem to reverberate through the glacier, a haunting reminder of the colossal being that lies beneath. I pack up my equipment, my movements mechanical, my mind awhirl with questions. What have I witnessed? What else lies hidden beneath the ice, waiting to be discovered? The implications of this discovery are staggering, challenging everything we thought we knew about life on Earth. As I leave the glacier behind, I can't help but feel a sense of foreboding. The world, it seems, has just gotten a whole lot bigger and more terrifying. Section 7. World Unveiling. The journey back is a blur. The image of the creature, its colossal eyes staring up at me through the ice, is seared into my mind. I know I have to tell the world, to share the magnitude of my discovery. The world reacts with a mixture of awe and disbelief. Scientists are baffled. Religious leaders offer pronouncements and conspiracy theories run rampant. The footage, grainy and surreal, becomes a global sensation. Expeditions are planned, their purpose to study and understand the creature. There's talk of drilling through the ice, of making contact. A shiver runs down my spine. Some things are best left undisturbed. We have stumbled upon a secret, hidden for millennia beneath the ice. The implications, both exciting and terrifying, are only just beginning to dawn on humanity. Section 8. Unanswered questions. The discovery of the creature beneath the ice has thrown the world into turmoil. Scientists, researchers, and even the general public are captivated by this unprecedented find. The creature's origins, its biology, and its implications for our understanding of life on Earth are subjects of heated debate. Theories abound, each more outlandish than the last. Some suggest it could be an alien life form, while others believe it might be a species that has somehow survived in isolation for millions of years. But the truth, as always, remains elusive. The creature's DNA does not match any known species, adding another layer of mystery to an already perplexing discovery. Is it a lone survivor of a bygone era, a relic of Earth's prehistoric past, or could it be a new form of life that has evolved in the extreme conditions of the ice? Or is it something else entirely, something beyond our current understanding? The creature's unique features and unexplained abilities have led some to speculate about its potential for unlocking new scientific knowledge. The questions are endless, the answers tantalizingly out of reach. Each new piece of evidence seems to raise more questions than it answers, deepening the enigma. As scientists and researchers grapple with the implications of this discovery, one thing is clear: the world will never be the same. The creature has challenged our understanding of biology, evolution, and the resilience of life. We have been forced to confront the possibility that we are not alone, that there are still wonders and terrors hidden in the farthest reaches of our planet. This discovery has opened up new avenues of exploration and inquiry. The discovery has ignited our collective imagination, reminding us of the vastness and mystery of the universe we inhabit. It has sparked a renewed interest in the unknown and the unexplored, and as we peer into the icy depths, we are reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie hidden beneath the surface. The journey to uncover the truth has only just begun, and the answers we seek may change our understanding of the world forever. Section 9. The Infinite Unknown. The Himalayas, once a symbol of Earth's untamed beauty, now hold a new significance. These towering giants, with their snow-capped peaks and rugged terrains, have always been a source of inspiration and awe. But now they are more than just a breathtaking landscape. They are a stark reminder that there are still mysteries to be uncovered, secrets waiting to be revealed. Hidden within their valleys and beneath their icy surfaces lie stories untold, waiting for the curious and the brave to discover. The creature beneath the ice, a silent sentinel of the deep, has awakened something within us, a sense of wonder, a thirst for knowledge, and an insatiable curiosity. It beckons us to explore further, to dig deeper, and to question everything we thought we knew. Yet with this curiosity comes a primal fear of the unknown, the shadows that dance at the edge of our understanding, the whispers of ancient secrets. They all remind us of our vulnerability. It has forced us to confront our place in the grand scheme of things, to reflect on our existence and our role in this vast, intricate tapestry of life. We must acknowledge that we are but a small part of a much larger and more complex universe. Our understanding is limited, and our knowledge is but a drop in the ocean of the unknown. And as we continue to explore the farthest reaches of our planet, we do so with a renewed sense of purpose and a healthy dose of trepidation. Each step forward is a step into the unknown, a journey into uncharted territories. We approach these mysteries with caution, knowing that the answers we seek may not always be comforting. But it is this very uncertainty that drives us, that fuels our quest for understanding. For we know that the greatest discoveries are often the most unsettling, challenging everything we thought we knew about the world and our place in it. They push the boundaries of our knowledge and force us to rethink our assumptions. The journey into the unknown is not just a physical expedition, but a mental and emotional one as well. It tests our limits, our resilience, and our willingness to embrace the unknown. The journey into the unknown has just begun, and with each discovery we are reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie ahead, waiting to be explored.